Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlet with Scarlet's Little Crafty Corner, and I am doing a real short video today. I just wanted to come on here and show this very gorgeous, colorful, shiny swan desktop that I got from a company that is new to me called WISKF. Now, they are just now getting into diamond painting. I think there at one time they were doing some other craft stuff, but they've switched over to diamond painting, and they have got all kinds of like pendants and desktop. That's what this is considered, is a desktop ornament, tabletop ornament. It has this flat, round base, and you will take and do the diamond painting on here, and then you just slide this right on there, and it just sits on your desk. Now, this is one-sided. The other side is just, plain, and it is acrylic. So, I had plenty of drills. The only thing that I did have an issue with was there was one letter, the letter M, that was on here, but some places it was okay, and then some places it was upside down and looked like a W. But thankfully, I didn't have anything that had a W, so I knew that, that's where it went. And before you say, oh, well, it was probably just sideways because that's how the drill went. No, they were, sorry, Buster's under my table. But no, they were right side up. The drill went right side up. There was no reason for the W or for the M to be upside down. So, but it was only a few. It wasn't all of them. It was just a few of them. So they may have some printing issues that they might have to sort out. But that was the only issue I had. Had plenty of drills. The drills were all gorgeous. I didn't have any that were, misshapen. I didn't have any that didn't have the coloring on it. No tabs, dips, scratches, no nothing. Just absolutely gorgeous drills. But yeah, I'll leave the information on this in my description box. I'll leave the link, and if you are interested, you can go check it out. I will also leave any codes or anything to where you can save some money in the description box. So go check out WISKF company, and I just want to say thank you to Ermine for sending this to me to share with everyone, because it is gorgeous. I just love the colors. So all right, so that's all I got in this video, and I hope you're all having a great day, and until my next video, I will see you all later. Bye, y'all.